Now that you know how to create content, maybe the next question you have in your mind is, Pow, where do I get the photos? Alright, so I'm gonna give you the resources that I am always using whenever I post photos. So we're gonna be using several websites for today, and one of which is this one. So this is my go-to photo site. Well, if that's what you call it. So here it's called pexels.com. It's not pixels, but pexels. I'm not sure why they call it that, but let's just go with it and pretend that it's cool. Okay, so here we have, let's say, for example, you can type anything in your mind. So what's in my mind right now? Let's say I want to get a photo of a laptop. And then they will give me a resources of laptops I can use for free. Alright, so these are the websites where you can actually use the photos because their licensing attribute is for royalty-free images. So here you can see here it's free to use. Another here, free to use. And some of the photos just say attribution required. And when they say attribution require, meaning you have to get the link of this and then post it on your post. So I always stay away whenever it says attribution required, just so I don't have to post a link which is unrelated to the post, right? So another website you can try is Unsplash. So it works almost the same with Pexels, but they just have different resources. That's the main difference. If what you're searching for is not here as well, you may try Pixabay. They're pixabay.com. There you go. Let's try to search laptops in here. And laptop here. Oops, sorry. Let's compare. So you see the resources here, or the photos available here, are different from the ones found here. And hopefully, yep, they're all different. So if you can't find a good photo on one site, feel free to check other sites. But I know what's in your mind right now. Pow, what if I want to start editing? What if I just need some, let's say, cartoons, some graphics? What what if I don't need the whole arm? What if I just need this arm? What am I gonna do? What if I need cartoons? Well, there's another site, it's called png3.com, and it allows you to download any PNG graphics that you can think of. Let's say, for example, hmm, let's say you want a birthday cake. So here it means that you can download the PNG version, and here it says that you can also download the AI version. That's Adobe Illustrator. However, the only catch with png3.com is that you get to download 3 free downloads per day. All right? And when we say PNG, it means that the background is transparent, meaning you can place this over a different background. So that's why there's this checkered colors in the back there. So this one, as you can see, this one doesn't have a checkered background, but it says that PNG is available. So does it mean, Pao, that the background is also transparent? No, it's not. The only reason it allows you to download the PNG version of this is that the file is saved as PNG format and not JPEG. Alright? But the background in here is not transparent. But if you know how to use Photoshop, you can easily remove this background, since it's just a plain one and it's contrasting to the main color of the icons. So what you're looking for is not here, you can always go to Google Images. So let's say you go to google.com and then you go to images. And then let's look for laptop cartoons PNG. So you see there are a lot of laptops in here and probably some might not be really useful to you. But let's say you are interested in this one. So this checkered one at the back of the picture indicates that it's in PNG format. But don't just download this right away, alright? Make sure that you click the website first to see the attribution. And the attribution is really important to avoid copyright infringement. You don't want that to happen. So here it says free download. So if we click free download, you'll be able to download the PNG version of this without this background. So now we have another resource for PNG photos, and it's cleanpng.com. So you see a simple Google search will do the trick. But beware, do not download the photos right away. Make sure that you click the website first to make sure that it is free from any copyright issues in the future.